I started as a conductor because my father worked for the railroad. I had an uncle that worked for the railroad, so you could say that railroading was kind of in my blood.
I love being outside in nature. That's what makes me tick. Getting up, seeing the green of the trees, the blue of the sky, feeling the sunshine on my face.
The thing I really love about going to work every day is changing somebody's life. We're there for them in their worst moment and their craziest moment, and we're supposed to make that day better, and we try as much as we can to get them back on their feet and put a smile back on their face. I'm going to jump into a lot of situations that normally the average day person probably wouldn't jump into. I'm always a fireman, on duty, off duty. If I'm driving down the road and I see an accident, I'm stopping. That's what firemen do.
You're responsible for leading a group of individuals out into the wilderness in some form or fashion, so you can't be late. If you're late, that looks really bad on you as the guide, and they no longer trust you.
As a little kid, I thought my dad's job was amazing. I really did. I loved trains as a kid. I just thought they were incredible. These big, massive machines, and even now I'm still in awe of them. There's some jobs you get days off for bad weather. Not for me. Rain or shine, I have to be there. I have to be on time. Trains have to run on the schedule. I can't be late. On my commute to work, I go from pavement to gravel, railroad tracks, potholes with water, and my Cooper Discoverer AT3 tires adjust to all of them perfectly.
So in my job, I'm driving way out into the wilderness, so I need dependable tires to get out there. And I definitely don't want to get stuck out there. There's no cell service in a lot of places, so I can't call for help. Reliability when it comes to tires is very important. I drive a pickup truck, I'm hauling a lot of gear. Sometimes I'm on roadways that aren't so smoothly paved. Without reliable tires, I wouldn't get to where I need to be, and that would leave a lot of people hanging because they're gonna be standing at the boat ramp waiting for me and going, "Where's Chandra?"
The reason that I need good tires for what I do is because that's where it all begins. Everything starts from the ground up, and the first thing that touches the ground is the tires that I drive to work on. If I need to take a shortcut to work, and I gotta go across the field, I'm not gonna have a problem doing that, and I have total faith in them. I just don't want to let nobody down. I'll give as much as I can give to one day maybe they can look back and say, and he did all he could do. And he gave 110% every single day when it comes to this profession and outside of this profession with family and friends.
On my dashboard, I have a picture of me when I was little, maybe 2, 3 years old, and one day when I went to go visit my father at the railroad, and we took a picture, and I was out there just waving at the trains and enjoying it as a little kid. What keeps me going and what motivates me most is family. Family is above all else to me.
These Cooper tires make me feel safe.
In my opinion, these are the best tires I've ever had on my truck. I recommend these tires to anyone.
I'm confident these tires can stand up to any job. I count on Cooper tires.